Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making some flower beds just like these ones. We're going to be using some old tyres and some old wood, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what we're going to do then. So this is a piece of 4x2. It was originally a stud wall in my house that I took down. So it's full of plenty of nail holes and screw holes, but that shouldn't matter. So I've got long lengths of this outside that have to be cut down into this. This is an 18-inch section, so I have to cut them all down into 18-inch sections and take all the nails out. We're then going to slice it this way and turn it into these little slats, so we'll get 6 per piece, and we'll have a small waste piece as well. Then we'll lay them all the way around like that, just like that. We'll screw them into the tire then, and I'm thinking about putting a wrap around them as well, an iron band. I've got some of that Galvo strip stuff. I'll give you a look at it. This stuff here, I've got some of that. I'm toying with the idea of putting a ring around it as well, just to help it keep together and hopefully give it another design aspect as well. For the finish, I'm probably going to stain it with a medium oak fence life. I was toying with the idea of burning it, just going around with a blowtorch and just burning the outside of it. I still might do that. I might do a test piece and just see how it looks and take it from there. Okay, so now that we have it broke down into our little lats, I need to give them a sanding. They're a bit rough, they've got some saw marks on them. We then need to drill them at 4 and 12 inches, and we're going to countersink those as well just to help the heads go in. Yeah, so that's the next thing we're going to see before we start this grand assembly. Okay, so it's all finished there now. I think it's looking really well. I'm really glad that I went with the burning rather than the staining. I think it looks much better. It's a bit different too. Yeah, so there was no real problems or anything this time. I could have done with a bigger blowtorch. It was a little bit time consuming burning it, but yeah, next time I'll probably burn it on the bench rather than doing it when it's all said and done. I think it'll probably be a bit easier. Yeah, everything else went smoothly, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.